Alright, this is the Float Your Rig Challenge.
I've rushed. Oh man, you're getting water in.
Oh yeah, so I am.
What's that? You're down 5 degrees on the... what do they call that? The stern? The aft? Which one is it?
Woo, baby.
Aptly named Son of a Glitch.
I hope somebody's filming because this sucker's going over it.
Oh, I got her. Uh-oh.
Bye-bye, baby. You're going
Save it.
I see my water pump's not running either.
Uh-oh.
I should have got a full reverse ESC. Hey Gary, nose her over. Gary, nose it out.
Russell, you're in the way. Attaboy.
Oh, the wind is killing me.
Yeah, you need to build a strap for that battery.
There we go.
Power.
Yeah!
Yes.
The one thing I wanted to do this year was float your rig. There you go.
Son of a Glitch running well. Not sinking now.
Thank God. I was really freaking worried.
I'm here with the driver.
I don't know. I don't think so. It's underwater, I can't tell.
Well, while Son of a Glitch gets figured out, we'll come check out some of the other ones. We have one barge under repair. Yes, make repairs. He asked for one part and immediately parts became available.
Isn't that the rules?
Sort of, yeah. I guess, was that the Canadian way?
Yeah.
You know, honestly, it's the same in the drift world. Even in competition, someone's servo, whatever, horn breaks, and 5 of us are like, dude, what do you need? And usually they're like, can you just shut up for 5 seconds while I figure out what's broken? And then give me the stuff. But it's the same. It's generally the same.
Typical toolkit around here.
Yeah.
Everything except for frame rails.
Yeah, oh yeah, yeah. That's a good point, yeah. I see Son of a Glitch survived.
Hold on.
It's a little bit water in there, but not a lot.
Yeah, my water pump's not running for some reason. So
Russell, did yours stop working?
Yep.
Oh.
Speed controller fried.
Speed controller.
So I will not claim the title of fastest boat here this year.
Oh, we have another rig loading here. Hey, Quebec flag. I was in Quebec last weekend drifting.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. Saint Richelieu. I think that's where we were, just past Chateauguay, I think, yeah. That's where we were, out in the sticks, sort of there. Sorry? Out in the boonies there, like in the farmland. Yeah, it was good times. We had a blast there.
Self-propelled or self-propelled?
That's what we call it. Self-propelled.
Last year...
How many barges did end up coming out? Only like 4 or 5 of them, I think? What was it? Last year I saw one video and there was like 15 of them.
Well, they were making it more of a bigger deal last year.
Oh.
But it's the 3rd year that they've done it.
I like this man's approach.
Keep it simple, yeah.
When in doubt, tow it out.
That almost became a flaming pile of toothpicks, I'm telling you. Hey, next year. No, seriously. Tuesday night after work, I'm cramming on that thing.
Okay, when we first took it out, we took it out.
Yes. Sawhill, is it working?
27 axial turn motor.
He has steering.
Just don't work.
No way.
Right on.
Are you sure I'm in the way, or are you just putting me in the way?
Oh, I gotta dry off.
No, you're okay now. Aren't you supposed to be water marshal now that your barge broke?
Pretty much.
Oh, okay.
Somebody needs to retrieve a little run out there. A little chilly in there. No, I just got dirty.
Wow, that barge has got some kick to it.
Oh, yeah.
That's working nicely.
It loaded.
We're on the field modifications. It's all good. Let's still put a boat on. There we go. Look at that.
That thing is working really good.
Come on, man. You're blind.
The driver of that barge is right here. He is very pleased that his barge is working and not sinking.
No freaking white.
float's my clodbuster.
Really?
Yeah.
Fantastic. I brought my clodbuster too. I'll break it out later, maybe.
Mine.
Did you break
motor
it?
Gave out on
Oh, of course, right?
They float.
It'll float.
Oh, they float.
I might.
Proved yesterday.
Well, maybe I'll try that. That would be funny. Just on the tires, just floats on the tires.
Yeah.
Fantastic.
The tires are about 3/4.
Well, I did glue mine, so well, they have holes in the rims, but whatever.
Are you gonna come back down here then?
Sawhill, he got it fixed. Running.
Oh, where's the trail?
Here.
You're just driving?
Trailhead, guys. Where's it on or
No.
Everywhere. There's like 4 or 5 different trails.
No. I was gonna say like you could drive it off.
Do that when you get back.
I can turn it on. Actually.
So up that way?
Yeah.
So Chris,
There's a bridge right over there. You can see it way down there. That's where it starts.
we'll meet you up at the...
Oh, someone got an actual boat working, sort of,
Yeah.
with their rig in the water as it docked.
Where did Jamie go?
Well
Oh,
done.
it's tilting. It's tilting. It's gonna fall.
Long bag.
Oh, those boats rip, yeah.
Yeah, that tugboat is pretty strong. I think that.
Oh, I just realized that was a tugboat. Ah, brilliant. Or as I kept saying last weekend, c'est bon.
C'est bon.
Every time we do full send and you scrape the well, c'est bon. Send it! Woo! Excellent.
It's cooling off.
Hold the dollars. Yo, hold the dollars.
Oh yeah, I need some water rooster trails.
One of the first boats I ever seen, RC boats.
The water's nice.
Is it?
I mean, it went so fast. And the roost went so high.
Let's go find the driver of the boat. I believe I found the driver of the boat. Hello, sir.
How you doing?
Very nice.
Thank you.
I would like to get some nice roost. There we go. Do a double whammy here. Oh yeah. Woohoo! Excellent. Great success.
Just.
Oh, you have GoPro mount. Ooh. Is it dead?
Huh?
Is it dead, the boat?
No.
So some juice?
No, it's just reverse. No, аккуратненько только. Назад, поворачивай. Недалеко, пожалуйста. Недалеко, разворачивайся назад. Эйдан, стой здесь. Эйдан, сюда.
Go!
Well, I guess that's it for barges. That's cool though, still. At least you fixed yours.
Yeah. Thanks, man.
Great success.